So I am going to show you today how to post cumulative grading, which includes a semester exam. So first thing I'm going to do is go into my gradebook and check my grade calc options. I'm going to look at all my tasks. Since I want quarter 3 to roll into quarter 4, I'm going to make sure on the quarter 4 grading task I have cumulative grading starting in quarter 3. That way these grades roll into quarter 4. I'm also going to make sure that I have the semester exam turned on by making sure it's an in-progress grade and I have a grading curve applied to it. On the semester grade, I want to create a composite of the quarter 4 grade, which also includes quarter 3, and the semester exam. To do that, I'm going to click on the composite checkbox. I'm going to click on quarter 4 grade and semester exam, and I'm going to weight this 90 and 10. You can choose whatever you'd like. This is just a demo. I'm going to save. Now I need to post my grades. First, I'm going to go into my quarter grade, make sure I'm in the right task and I'm in the right term. I'm going to click on this red post link. When the grading window is open, this will appear. And you can see here, in progress, cumulative from quarter 3. So you can tell that you're rolling your grades over from quarter 3 into quarter 4. I'm going to click on this post button, verify that everything is the way I would like it to be. Click OK. Grades will be posted upon save. This doesn't mean you have saved. It's just telling you that you still need to save, which is up here. If you see it's red, you have some changes that can be applied. Click the save button and it will verify that the gradebook has been saved. Okay, now you see that this is turned gray. So you can move on to the next. I'm going to go to my semester exam grading task. I'm going to do the same thing I did for the quarter grade. In progress grades, I'm going to click the red post button, verify that I have the right students, the right grading task, correct term, click OK. Then you see the red save button. Click that, gradebook has been saved. All right, now we're moving on to semester grades. If you look at your semester grades, you'll see the red post button, but just verify over here. This looks like you want it to. Quarter grade, quarter 4, and semester exam. You can see the composite. It will note the composite grades that you have set up when we were in grade calc options. So anyway, we're good. We're going to click post just like before, semester grade task. Okay, okay, save. There you go. You have posted 3 grading tests, which are quarter 4 grade, semester exam, and your semester grade. So all those together you should be done.